Want a bright, confident smile without spending hundreds at the dentist? Imagine achieving professional-level whitening results at home in just a few days. Sounds impossible? Let me show you how. Let's be real. Your smile is one of the first things people notice. But everyday habits like coffee, tea, or wine can dull that sparkle over time. You might feel self-conscious about your teeth, but who has the time or money for expensive whitening treatments at a clinic? This is why at-home teeth whitening has become a game changer. It's quick, affordable, and super convenient. But not all products deliver the results they promise. That's where this product stands out. Meet the Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. This teeth whitening kit is one of the best on the market, and for a good reason. Trusted by millions, it's designed to remove up to 14 years of stains, yes, 14 years, while being gentle on your teeth. Using it couldn't be easier. Just peel, apply, and go about your day. In just 30 minutes, the advanced seal technology keeps the strips in place so you can talk, drink water, or even multitask while they work their magic. And the results? Noticeably whiter teeth in just 3 days. A full treatment takes 20 days, but the difference is visible almost instantly. Plus, you get 44 strips, enough for 22 full treatments. The best part? It's enamel-safe and dentist-approved. No sensitivity, no hassle, just a brighter, more confident you. Whether it's for a big event or just everyday confidence, this kit has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to grab your Crest 3D Whitestrips today and get ready to love your smile again. Trust me, your future self will thank you.